All right, we're working on the 9000 again. Today we're gonna try and get the front brakes back on, because like I said in the last one, I haven't had brakes in a long time. Those are my old calipers. They're cooked. All the seals are leaking. I shot the pistons out of them on accident because I never changed my brake pads, and they're just kind of fucked. So I bought these nice used ones off Facebook. The guy, really good deal. They have pretty shitty pads in them though, which I mean, I didn't even know they were gonna come with pads, but I have some new brass Armor Techs. I've already gotten one done. I'm gonna slap the pads in the other one, and then go ahead and put them on the bike.
Monster, there's some things that I might see.
Alright, I don't know where I took the last video. I don't think I even showed pulling the tire off, but I'm pretty sure y'all can handle that. You take the tire off, and then you slide the caliper on. You got a 15 there and a 15 down below. Your 13 for your brake line. You want to route your brake line pretty good out the way. I'm gonna zip tie it here, and then it won't touch anything. This little shield, I've never had one before. I don't know if you actually, I don't know how much it helps, but it doesn't fit with the portal rotors. So I had to sit there with this little burr bit, and I don't know if you can tell how much material I took off, but yeah, took off a pretty good bit, but now it fits. And you know what, if that gives me 2 more miles out of these freaking brake pads, having that knocking some mud off, then it's worth it, I think, for a couple minutes of work. But yep, this side's all done. I'm gonna throw the tire back on this side, and I'll show you a time lapse of me doing that.
I am ready to fire. I got a million desires that I just need to go achieve. I just need to acquire. So I've been climbing up this ladder. Yes, I'm going up higher. I need to do it till the day that I might retire. I can feel the power. I can feel the power.
All right, we got this side all finished up. Brake lines ran. I went ahead and turned the wheel both ways. It doesn't get caught up on anything. I ended up, as you saw on the other side, I had the little dirt catcher thingy on top. I went ahead and moved them both to the bottom because I was thinking about it, and the tire goes this way when you're going forward. I'm going forward a lot more than backwards, so it'll actually get the mud off before it gets to the brakes. But yeah, both sides are done. I'm about to slap this tire on, and I'm pretty sure my master cylinder is bad, so I'm gonna try and bleed the brakes, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to, because I think the cylinder, my master cylinder, is stuck. So, but anyway, this will be done. We'll have brand new pads up front, new calipers, all the brake lines ran. So all I'll have to do is figure out the master cylinder deal, and then at the end of this video, I got to put the interior back in, the center console and stuff from doing the drive shaft. I never got around to that, but I'll slap this tire on and lower the bike down. All right, right now I'm working on redoing some of the wiring on the bike, because everything's gonna eventually go in this tube up and then into the new roof once I get it finished. I don't know if you all used to see, but this wire used to run along the floor and into here, because I need to get it done quick to go ride. But I put it back. As you can see, this defender's still undone. Ran it down, and it's tucked up in there, and then it comes back out here. But in the roof, we're gonna have a set of RCAs, 2 number 6s going up there for power. The power steering stuff's gonna have to get in there somehow, and so is the light bar. So it's gonna be a lot of stuff up there. I'm gonna keep going at it a little bit. Gonna try and get this all situated, so when the speakers come in here Monday, we can go ahead and get started. But also just found another issue. The roof I have, all the holes are cut out like 7 and 1/4, 7 and 3/8. One of them like 7 1/2, and the mounting for those speakers is like 6 and 9/16. And it's an 8-inch speaker, so I don't know why it's so small. So the speakers probably won't actually fit, so I'll probably have to make a bunch of little custom mounting brackets to make it work. So that'll be fun. But I'll keep you updated when those come in. I'm gonna do some more wiring. I'll show you one more clip before I'm done. And yeah, that'll be it for this video. Alright, I'm calling it quits for today. I got the wires for the rock lights and for the power steering need to go up in the roof. I got it back here, so between this bundle of wires and these two, everything that's going in the roof is back here. So when I get the roof on, I'm gonna leave like 6-7 foot of slack hanging out the roof. So all I gotta do is slide it down the wire when I get it. Have a couple things to make up down here. But that's it. Like I said, this wires now runs behind the dash. And then those other wires all run up through the fender and through the floor and are all out of the way. So yeah, the next video hopefully is working on the roof. That's gonna be a long one because I've already done the math, like 60 something connections up there between all the lights and everything. And the way I'm doing the lights, I don't even know if it's really gonna work, but I have an idea, so I'm gonna try it. So yeah, thanks for watching this one. Don't forget to subscribe.